Slightly north of the Golden Gate Bridge, you enter Sonoma County, California, with acres upon acres of vineyards, wineries, and tasting rooms. The region is best known as wine country. Driving further north into Humboldt and Mendocino counties, you find the heart of the Redwood region, where the towering redwood forests are found. Buckle up your tool belt and sharpen your saws, because Jessica Hewitt from Humboldt Sawmill is here to tell us about the types of projects you can create using redwood timbers.
Timbers are defined as pieces of wood that are 6 inches thick or thicker. Popular uses of redwood timbers are larger projects for which you would need larger pieces of wood. Pergolas, shade structures, driveway entryways, arbors, maybe even putting an outdoor kitchen to make that outdoor living space more functional and more beautiful. Redwood has been popular for a really long time to create garden boxes in particular. There are several reasons for that. It's non-toxic, so it won't impart anything harmful to plants. And it's very easy to work with. Just anyone with regular woodworking tools can easily use it. A lot of people will use a redwood planter box for tomatoes, peppers, all of those types of things. Woodworking projects are very popular on Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. We recently partnered with an influencer who built a really beautiful blanket ladder out of redwood 2x2s. She documented the project on YouTube and created a full blog post with all the instructions. So really anyone at home could create the same project and have a beautiful piece to show off heirloom blankets or handcrafted items in their own home.
Redwood timbers aren't only used by homeowners to upgrade their outdoor living space. Businesses, such as restaurants and wineries, have installed picnic tables, decks, and pergolas to offer patrons expanded and shaded patios to dine al fresco and enjoy other amenities. Today, we made a pit stop at Sonoma Raceway. In 2015, the racetrack added a 135-foot redwood deck at Turn 2. Pergolas were also constructed to shade concession areas, ADA seating, and picnic tables.
So we're here right now at the real strong Humboldt Redwood deck, which is an enhanced seating area, kind of one of the best places to watch the race. Having this beautiful natural area that fits in with the setting that we're in, but also provides a little break from the heat, and a little shade is something that our fans really enjoy. Sonoma Raceway is just so happy to have the partnership with Humboldt Sawmill for an area like this. Our ability to take the redwood material that's so native to Northern California and incorporate it into our raceway was something that we thought was going to be a great benefit for our fans.
A venue like Sonoma Raceway is a highly trafficked area. Redwood is a very durable wood species and can handle the traffic on the Turn 2 deck, as well as the sun and other environmental elements on the pergolas throughout the property.
Redwood is a very durable natural wood species. The redwood heartwood is naturally resistant to termites and decay, and that does give it the long-lasting durability that works well in a heavily trafficked outdoor application. Your typical redwood deck can last about 25 to 30 years with regular maintenance. A redwood pergola could last even longer. A redwood deck, in terms of maintenance, is regular cleaning with a garden hose, and then for a refinishing, maybe every 3 to 5 years at most.
Humboldt Sawmill redwood timbers and dimensional lumber are sourced from company-owned timberlands totaling 440,000 acres. 2 sawmills and 9 distribution centers bring products to end users. All Humboldt Sawmill products are manufactured with the environment and sustainability in mind.
Each year, our company grows more trees than are harvested annually. We have obtained Forest Stewardship Council certification. For us, growing trees for the future is important, not just for this generation, but for future generations as well.
Feeling inspired to take on your next DIY project? Or maybe you prefer to leave the heavy lifting to a licensed contractor. Either way, head to getredwood.com/redwood/timbers or designingspaces.tv to learn more. Redwood timbers from Humboldt Sawmill are sold at lumberyards and home improvement retailers.